Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with video how to archive data automatically from one Google Sheet to another. So basically it is very important to archive your important database somewhere if you are in big organization. So here I have made this process to auto archive the data from master sheet to another sheet. Moreover, if you archive the data, it is also clear the database from master sheet automatically. So to prepare this beautiful process, we only need Google Sheet and Google App Script coding. So let's start. So first we will prepare a two Google Sheet. First, where we have master database, and another where we will archive the database. So we will configure the Google App Script in archive sheet where we will store the database. So simply go to extensions, open App Script. So this is the coding. So this is my master database sheet. Just copy the sheet ID. So, like this, and paste here in master sheet. Now we will copy the sheet ID of archived sheet where we will store the database. Paste here like this. So here I am using keyword of column J. This is the attendance data basically. So I want to archive the data according to month and start from start date to end date. Like I want to archive the September month database into this sheet automatically. And also I want to remove the data from master sheet. So this is 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is column 9. So you have to enter the column here. You can copy this Google Apps script into your Google Sheet and make this process completely. So I'm using the start date and end date where I will enter the start date with end date. Like I want to archive the data of September month. So I will use 1st September 2023 to 30th September 2023. So after running the script, data will be archived into this sheet. So let's test this. You can use the date format. I'm using here date, month, and YYY. If you have different date format, you can change accordingly. So let's refresh the sheet. You can see I have already archived the July month database here. So now I want to archive the data of September month. Let's go to last row. Yeah. So let's run the script. Go to custom menu, run archive script. So box will be open to enter start date. Let's enter the start date. 1st September 2023. It is my start date of database. Next, I will enter end date, which is 30th September 2023. Just click OK and our script will be run. It will take 1 to 2 seconds only. Here we go. You can see here from 1st September to it is running, still running. Yeah. So you can see here my all September month data is archived here automatically. And from master sheet, it is deleted. 30th September is not archived because we have mentioned only till 30th. So it has archived till 29 September. Let's archive the date of 30th September too. Again, script, run the script and enter 30th September to 1st of October. As you can see, 30th September database is archived here. All we have done, and you can see September month all database have been removed from here automatically because it is archived to this sheet. So you can use this sheet and use this beautiful process to store your database if you have big database like in thousands. So you can save this so that your master sheet will be easy to use and easy to run. Moreover, you can put trigger here, like I will show. If you want to archive your database on daily basis, just go to trigger section and create a trigger. Select event time, time driven. You can select here weekly timer, day timer, month timer, as you want to put a trigger as per your requirement. So here I'm using day timer. Once in a day, the data will be restored and archived automatically into this sheet. This is my Google Apps script coding. You can use as per your need. I hope it will be useful to you. I'm giving a sheet link and Google Apps script coding in the description. Just make a copy and use this beautiful process to save your database. And moreover, it will save your time because it is very prompt and quick and accurate. So share this video with your colleagues and office mates. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.